Picture this. You just wrapped a campaign with incredible results. The client is thrilled, the numbers are through the roof, and you know this could be your best case study yet. But you're staring at a blank page, wondering how to turn all that data and strategy into a story that actually wins your next pitch. What if you could go from blank page to a professionally formatted case study in 5 minutes? Today I'm showing you the Professional Case Study Creator in TurboAgents, and this tool will change how you document and present your work. Creating a case study the traditional way takes 8 to 12 hours. Figuring out the structure, writing strategically, formatting professionally, and even then you're not sure it's good enough for that important pitch or award submission. If you need 5 case studies, that's a full week of work. Meanwhile, your best campaigns are sitting undocumented in folders because who has time? That's exactly why this tool exists. Let me show you how it works. The left panel is called Strategic Inputs, 5 fields, each capturing a specific dimension of your story. I'm using a fictional brand called Brewlab Co. Watch how each field builds the narrative. Brand identity. Set context, not just a name. I'm writing Brewlab Co., India's premium craft coffee subscription brand. One line, full picture, the big idea. The campaign's North Star, from bean to belonging, building a community of conscious coffee drinkers through hyper-personal subscription experiences, emotional appeal and functional benefit in one line. Market context. Prove the strategy was data-driven. India's premium coffee market grew 28% YoY, but 80% of first-time specialty buyers churned within 3 months due to choice paralysis. That's the gap we're solving. Execution. Strategy. Be specific. Quiz-driven onboarding on Instagram and WhatsApp, a dedicated coffee curator per subscriber, real subscriber stories through Reels, and a referral program exclusive to active members. Performance data. Give it everything. Subscriber base up 340% in 6 months. Churn dropped from 38% to 11%. Revenue grew from 18A to 1.2 side-year A MRR. The AI turns these into a compelling narrative, not just a metrics dump. Parameters. Depth and industry. Set your depth. 1-page summary, 3-page professional, or 10-page executive report. Set your industry so the language and benchmarks are tailored to your sector. Sections to include. Toggle on or off 9 sections. Executive summary. Business challenge. Human insight. Strategic pivot. Creative execution. Tactical roadmap. Quantitative results, qualitative impact, and award potential audit. Keep what matters, drop what doesn't. Aesthetic config. Set your primary color. Upload your logo. The output is branded from the start. Now hit Generate Case Study. In about 20 to 30 seconds, the AI is doing what would normally take you a full day. Analyzing your inputs, building the strategic framework, structuring your results into a compelling narrative, and formatting everything professionally. Alright, done. Look at this. Branded cover with the Brewlab logo, industry tag, date, already presentation ready. And right at the top, 3 headline metrics laid out as KPI cards. Subscriber base expansion 340%. Churn compression minus 2,700 basis points. MRR multiplier, 6.6x. That's your pitch opener. Done. Scroll down and every section tells a deeper story. Executive summary positions the brand transformation at a strategic level. Business challenge doesn't just say churn was high. It diagnoses why. Choice paralysis, cognitive overload, a deteriorating LTV-CAC ratio. Strategic pivot documents the 3-pillar methodology. Quantitative results and qualitative impact together close the story with both the numbers and the brand equity built. Now here's a feature I love. Every single section has its own regenerate button. Not happy with how the business challenge reads? Hit regenerate on just that section. Everything else stays intact. You're in full control of the output without starting over. And when you're done, one click on Download Word. The exported document comes fully formatted, proper headings, KPI layout, justified body text, branded footer. It's not raw text you have to clean up. It's client ready the moment it lands in your downloads folder. 8 to 12 hours, down to 5 minutes. If your time is worth and it's summer or $100 an hour, that's $800 to $1,200 saved per case study. But more importantly, think about the campaigns sitting undocumented right now, because creating case studies is such a pain. Think about the pitches you could win with professional documentation of your methodology. The Professional Case Study Creator is live now inside TurboAgents. Document your best work today and watch how it changes every conversation you have with prospects. Thanks for watching.